Smile podcast where curiosity meets conversation. This is your go to place for unexpected stories, thought provoking ideas, and dose of inspiration. So grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's dive in. Meet Dr. Shamla, bringing you interesting and insightful dental knowledge. Welcome to the show, Doctor.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be on the show.
I have heard dentists can read someone's health just from looking their smile. Is that actually true?
Absolutely. Your smile is like a health diary. For example, let's say you see a yellowish tint in your teeth. That means the enamel is thinning. It is not just a coffee stain. And other things like if you have dry or cracked lips, that can indicate a dehydration or even mouth breathing. If you have receding gums, that can be a sign of gum disease or even because of hard brushing.
Hold on, so you can tell dehydration from lips alone?
Yep, because lips are the first place which shows any changes in hydration in the body. So we see it all the time. That's very common in patients.
Wow, have you ever spotted something more serious this way?
Many times, once I had a patient coming in for teeth whitening, but then I noticed there was some pattern in their enamel, and then it turned out to be a vitamin deficiency.
Huh.
So many times.
So their teeth told you before any blood test did, right?
Exactly. The mouth usually shows early signs of health problems before any blood test does or any rest of the body shows any signs or symptoms.
Okay, now I'm curious about gums. Are they just there to keep teeth in place or do they tell you more?
They tell us a lot. Red, swollen, or bleeding gums usually indicates gum disease. And gum disease are related to heart disease and diabetes too. So it has to be addressed immediately as possible.
Wow, so it's not just a mouth problem.
Right. So things like pregnancy and puberty can also change gum health because of the hormones.
Interesting. What about stress? Can you see that in someone's mouth?
Definitely. Worn down teeth is usually because of grinding, which is often stress related and which is very common in youngsters right now. And we see a wear pattern in the teeth, which is related to sleep apnea or even jaw misalignment. And the common issue like bad breath is often sinus related or can be because of digestive issues also.
Wait, so my teeth could actually rat me out for not sleeping?
Pretty much, yes.
Alright, now people listening are going to run to a mirror. Is there a quick way to check their own smile health?
Absolutely. Go grab a mirror, look at your gums. It should be pink, not red or pale. Check for any bleeding after brushing or flossing. Check for any enamel wear, cracks, jaw soreness, or any teeth that look flattened.
And if someone sees something off?
If something's off, don't panic. See your dentist before Google.
Yeah, because Google will convince you it's the end of the world.
Early action is usually simpler and less expensive treatment. Then why not?
Sure, basically your smile is telling you a story, you just want to make sure it's a good one.
Exactly.
So make sure it's telling a story you love. Share this episode with someone who is due for a dental checkup and join us next week as we talk about the red flag most people ignore, bleeding gums.